record a video about Skyblock. I'm going to be renewing my islands. Yeah. And I also invited my friend, so if he wants to come on, he might. I don't know. So yeah, let's get doing this. I'm trash.
Hey Mom, do you know whose spoon is this?
Yes, there we go. Okay. So this is where I'm going to be putting all of my other stuff. Yeah, it's where I'm going to be putting all my other stuff. Yeah, it's also bad quality, so yeah. Okay. So yes, I'm going to be doing a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna start building up my island, sort of. Yeah.
You're gonna load it down shit and make any
Yes, I am at somebody else's island. They said they have deals, so not really deals.
Trying to scrape and
Yeah, no deals. They're good so far. Medium chest.
Now, do you see what we have to go through every time you do stupid shit like that?
Yeah, there's nothing really I could really afford that I want. So yeah. Every time that somebody invites me to their island, I'm going to be doing that. So I won't be on here doing stuff for a while. Every time somebody invites me to their island.
Oh, remember one time when you could have anything spicy? One time the doctor said you couldn't have anything spicy? That was a long time ago. And you
really don't care.
And you got mad when you got spicy things because you couldn't have it.
Okay. Sorry, I don't know. Okay. So, yes. Oh yeah, and if Yeet fan, if you're watching, get back online, bro. I wanna freaking be friends with you and stuff. Okay, now okay, what do I want to do? Okay, what do I need to make for a furnace?
I'm telling you, Governor Wolf holds office come next year.
Oh, I can't make it yet. Okay. Workbench. I need 50 iron, 50 stone, and 50 wood.
What's on the table? Oh, there it is.
Okay, for now I'm just gonna put my trees up top here. Just so let them grow.
I'm moving out for people.
Okay.
And it's a whole blast. Whole blast is good.
Me and Addie have.
I can't believe we just cleaned all the dishes and spoons and ate one off.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be keeping you here, I guess, because it's way too hard. Because of how laggy I am, and it's usually a huge mess down in the city area. But really, all I'm doing is just buying seeds, wheat seeds, and I was also going to go mine some stone. I can't wait till I have a computer so I can make videos on there and here. And also so I can have better quality. Wait, you went back to Du Bois?
No.
Oh.
Can I try to have it?
Sure, you can try.
Okay. So I'm mining stone stuff. And like all there is iron, so I'm gonna gather up the iron until I have 50 as well. I need 50 stone and 50 iron. I'm also gonna buy a couple tree saplings. You know, if fishing does become a thing in farming and I keep on getting distracted because of noises in the background. If fishing does actually become a thing in this game, well, what I'd imagine is that like if you there would be like if wool isn't already in the game, then add wool, and like it needs string, and then there would be like spiders in the game you can get it from. You can either destroy the wool that you buy, and then get some string, and then like you can, and then you just have a couple like 10 pieces of wood, and then like 3 to 5 pieces of string, and then the fishing batter, and then like then like 3 pieces of iron for the hook. Then like you could go fishing in like the pond at the hub area. Like that's what I want. And then like you can get like better fish and stuff if you have a better bobber or something. I don't know.
You're full.
I can do so one.
I don't really know. Okay, I'm done.
What?
I like one
Where'd
to
you
make
go?
No.
Okay, now let's find my saplings.
Mine's like. Did you put yours in first?
Okay.
I like when they have the United States colors. Red, white, and blue.
Y'all can just get out here.
Okay, here I come. Okay, I'm back.
Walking down the street.
Everything's
For Mr. Pete.
You drink a little bit here. Don't think I can feel yours.
Mr. Pete. Okay, do not mean to do that. Okay, now I just gotta wait for all that. But whilst I wait for that, I'm gonna get down here and stuff. Okay, let's get my sickle out. Here we go. I'm gonna start getting ready to do this. I'm gonna start with the basic farm size, and I'll make it bigger as we go on. Okay, let's get a better angle there. Okay, I think that's the best angle as I'm gonna get it. Okay, now I'm going to start cooking up the iron. And I got a little extra iron than what I needed, so I'm gonna have a couple extra iron. I hate the campfire, honestly. It sucks. Oh yeah, and I also figured out that the cell hack doesn't work. I think I'm stupid. Oh, this is taking forever.
What'd you make for dessert, Johnson?
I put a phone, went down this pipe. The pipe that goes around to your mouth.
Justin?
You know how there's a pipe that goes down and around?
Oh, I also have carrot seeds. I didn't know that.
That pipe macaroni went down.
Oh, this is annoying. Oh, and just because of that one move, my iron is so far away.
You make the best food off, Mom.
Like, one of the next islands should be, like, Lucifer Island. Like, on that island, there would be, like, one boss, and there would be, like, a bunch of spiders on that island. And, like, Jason, I know he's online. I thought you were about to give Yeet fan. I was like, Yeet fan's finally online?
I put macaroni on the spoon. I did.
Yeah, Jensen, nobody cares.
Put fucking macaroni.
Okay. Yeah,
So
fish.
it's not out, it's been delivered yet? Or on its way?
No, Ella.
Yeah.
Okay, so for Lucifer
I
Island.
got
burger.
Like Lucifer Island, there'd be
You
like,
can easily get made at Walmart, that kind of crap, but the
it
phone
would like
cases
fire
I
fireballs at you,
you
and
gotta
then
find
like
online.
his little spiders will also like jump at you and attack you. They could also fire webs, which will slow you down like severely. And
I was on automatic phone button. When you're out, you can plug your phone.
and there and like
Plug your phone in.
and
The other end in the phone.
and like
And when you're out, you wouldn't come up stuff.
and on that island, there'd be diamond ore that you can get,
Like my dad
The
does.
new guy.
and like there would also be diamond totem, and another idea should be where there is crystallized iron ore and crystallized iron for crystallized iron stone, so you can actually mine it. It would only spawn on Lucifer Island though. Lucifer Island or the other one.
Just like,
Lucifer.
and I end up
I can't remember its name. The
I
Stone
keep
Golem
forgetting-
Island.
I come up here that there's freaking. I have to bring the other one out. Hey, you want
Putting on the face now.
okay. Dude, let's get there with a freaking.
Well, I do need one. But I bet it's good.
Oh,
It's
good.
sitting all day now.
Guess who's bored? It's me.
The night.
Guess who wishes he
Now,
didn't have to do this
Don't
to
be
me.
playing with the ice axe.
It makes me cold. Like.
Cool, yeah.
Get through there.
If somebody can manage to shove me in a freezer, then I'm using this.
No way. I'm going to fit in that freezer.
Sure.
There was a giant freezer.
Okay.
Could have had it as
I'm probably just gonna kill myself every time
when the ice.
until I do
I
something
think I
else.
do enjoy that.
Why?
Because it's freaking hot.
Yeah, but what if someone takes you out and snaps you in half thinking you'll affect you?
Well, I'm glad to not be in this world and be this freaking hot. What? I'm sweating.
Then I'll fucking slap your ass into the next then.
Why?
He don't want you to die.
Jeff's the one that brought it up.
Okay.
Water, soda, and
How can you stand that
Elon
freaking
called
sound of
me.
notifications? I turned it off so like it vibrates when I get a notification. The only time I ever
I just
turn it off by volume is this morning when I didn't really
I
sleep
have
at all.
100. I have 100.
Daddy, the video called me to help me get up, so I only got like 5 minutes of sleep like all day.
I have 137 cool, and I would rather use all of that than have to do this.
Oh, that helps my back a lot.
Nobody cares.
What the heck? Felt like
Nobody
it was cracking.
cares.
Don't think putting ice in.
And by the way, Jensen, I was walking for a whole mile today, and you stayed at home the entire day. So I'm sure my back is hurting way more than yours.
Oh my god, that's how weird.
That's what
But probably not as much as mine after a whole mile walk.
I don't think I know why you like it. It's freezing to me.
Nobody cares. Nobody. Nobody cares. Nobody. Oh yeah, and the last video was a complete joke. I actually thought he said though for like a minute or two, but then I realized, oh wait, never mind, he's not dead. Because I looked at his another one of his channels, and yeah, you shouldn't watch it. It's trash.
Blue.
I also have gold. I have a lot of stuff, but I use most of it on my friend island. Guess what? Nobody cares, Jensen, my brother. You're annoying.
I did it all by blowing on it.
Good for you. Nobody cares though. whoa, whoa. Nobody cares, nobody cares, nobody really cares. Okay, final one. I bet this was more painful for you than me. Okay. Ooh, that's actually fast. Let's mine this tree. Now let's mine this tree. Now let's wait for one of the other trees to grow. Grow, grow, grow. Okay, there you go. Okay, now let's wait for the last tree to grow. Now here we go. Okay, now let's also get my stuff. My wheat, my carrots. I'm gonna go sell my stuff. Okay, what else do I have in my inventory? Okay, yes, I have, I think, enough. But I need 50 pieces of wood, not just that. Well, I'm going to go sell, so I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, I'm sorry that this is super low quality. It's like, yeah, it's always low quality, if you know. Okay, let's sell my wheat, which I only have one of. And then my carrots, which I only have 3 of. I have 105. Let's see if my chef wants anything. Oh, no. Blocks. I can sell my stone, but... well, I guess I can do 7. Okay, now I'm back.
I finished.
Oops.
I'm not having any more.
Waiting for you to grow. Oh. What in the world? Okay,
Mom,
never
I got a
mind.
way to keep this. Mom, I got a way to keep the iPad one. Oh, flip it over.
Nobody cares.
And put the juice on it.
I thought I said nobody cares. And you know that nobody cares, but you think they do. Okay, finally, it's a small furnace. After I collect some more materials. I have the tier 2 crafting bench.
It'll make it one.
Get out of my spot. Everybody else is gone now.
Jensen?
I said no.
Yes, sure.
English for okay.
Sure. Wait, why can't that craft a small... okay, why can't I craft a small furnace?
Well, I want you to clean that out and make me a hot dog sundae. Or a banana.
Okay, am I just blind? Because I cannot find it. I cannot find the... because I cannot find what I'm looking for. And that's a small furnace. Small furnace, where are you? Are you blind? Are you... oh.
Nobody cares.
Oh my god, I could have got this whole time.
I said nobody cares.
What is my life? Is it a trash? unless we eat seeds.
I said no one cares.
Sure.
Bears, they don't care. They're scared.
I am annoyed. I am so annoyed. Right about now. Give me 2, that's all I need. Now I need a bunch of stone, man. Give me 3, that's all I need. But you give me 2 plus and 3. Hee. I be yellow worm. That's my name. I be yellow worm. That's my game. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh crud, wait, no, it's in the spot that I can't attack. Huggy, this is annoying, it's making me waste stuff. I don't like to waste. Getting rid of a bunch of birch logs right now, it's annoying. Okay, hurry up. I don't have all day, man. I don't have all day. AKA all day. All day. Day. Yeah, this video is just to show you what I'm going to do.
My tablet's battery below.
Yeah, this is basically just to show you what I'm going to do.
Oh,
I'm going to get a small furnace. After I get my small furnace, I'm going to end the video.
no, Chloe, for me. Valentine's Day. No.
Nobody cares.
I wasn't thinking about me getting cards.
Yes, you were.
Nobody cares.
Oh, if I have to use up one of my other pieces of wood, I'm not going to be happy. Oh, thank the Lord. Yep, this is pretty much the end of the video. Oh my god, let me go down. You are the most annoying person on the planet. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot of work off camera. But I guess it's the end now, so goodbye, bye. That's the